Alright guys, so it's been a minute. Did some changes to the interior, as you can see. Not much, just some gold and gold and black carbon fiber trimming, new shift knob. Got a scanner and some mounts and stuff like that. But the purpose of this video today is to show you accurate TL stock exhaust system, because I'm going to be changing it soon. So if you wanted to know what it sounds like without anything going on, I'm just gonna do it for you right now. So I'm gonna do a startup and a couple revs. Alright, so that's pretty much a stock exhaust system on a TL. It's 2005 3rd gen. I'll be back with another video after I start modifying it.